Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Safe Wash Matic Liquid Detergent. So let's get started. This one is 1 liter pouch. I got it for rupees 79 from Big Basket. MRP is 230 rupees. And look at the color. Okay, it's clear, slightly blue in color, and it has a smooth, non-sticky consistency, neither too thick nor too watery. And it has a clean, crisp, subtle scent. I love the fragrance. It can be used for bucket wash and washing machine. For bucket wash, 40 ml, 1 cap of this liquid in the bucket of water, and it dissolved instantly. And for your everyday sweat, light dirt, it clean properly. For tougher stains, I would suggest you to do a pre-soaking or scrubbing of clothes, and this liquid creates a good amount of foam. Okay, so for machine wash, use 60 ml of liquid, which is 1.5 cap of this. And I used it in my Samsung top loaded machine. The clothes came out clean, fresh, and absolutely residue free. The fragrance is subtle even from the dried clothes, so it's nice. So for 79 rupees, it's definitely a steal deal. It worked well for everyday laundry and subtle and fresh fragrance. I have just one problem that I wish this would be an bottle option for easy pouring. So I reuse an old detergent bottle to make it more convenient. So overall, if you are looking for a budget friendly, effective detergent, this one is a good choice. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.